everyone, so we've come to the end of this module and this is the last chapter, and this chapter is very useful because I'm going to be telling you what to do when you don't know the answer of any question in an interview. So there are moments when you get stuck up, when you don't know the answer. It could be due to a lot of reasons. या तो maybe you've forgotten the words, right? या फिर आपको आंसर पता ही नहीं है genuinely. तो उस केस में क्या करना है? That is what I'm going to tell you. I am going to give you 5 ways in which you can handle such situation, right? The tip 1 that I want to give you is calm down, okay? So I know this situation is difficult and you don't know how to react, but then calm down. Breathe and calm down, relax. You're going to get through this. Take a short pause. Don't forget this. Take a short pause. Think, okay? Take a short pause and then comes the tip 2, which you have to follow. Try buying some time. And how will you do that? You won't say कि मुझे 2 minute देना please. ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना है. You have to sound professional only. Delay answering that question so that you have time to think about it. I'm going to give you some examples for this one. For example, you can say, that's a great question. Let me think about that for a moment. I would say that ... Another example, that's a complex question. Let me collect my thoughts on that for a moment. Another example would be, that's a question I really need to think about. Can I take some time with it and come back to it later in the interview? The last example that I gave you can buy time by saying कि मुझे last में answer करना है इस question का, but then don't forget because interviewer knows कि आपने उनसे time लिया था. So you need to remember कि last में आपको उस question का answer देना है. So that's how you buy time. Tip 3 is clarify the question. Sometimes genuinely you do not understand the question या तो interviewer ने ठीक से नहीं बोला या कोई mispronunciation हो गई है. There could be any reason, right? So clarify the question. You can reframe it in your words and say it again, right? Tip 4 is focus on what do you know. So sometimes कोई क्वेश्चन आता है, किसी भी फील्ड के हो सकते हैं आप, बट कोई क्वेश्चन होता है जिसका आंसर आपको नहीं पता होता, बट इंस्टेंटली आपको एक चीज सिमिलर टू दैट रियलाइज होती है, दैट आई नो दिस व्हिच इज सिमिलर टू दैट. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू एन एग्जांपल हियर. फॉर एग्जांपल, if you're a software engineer and they're asking you about a software, a particular software, about the working of that software, and you don't know how that works, but you know a similar software जिसकी working आप well versed हो, जिसकी working के साथ, तो आप उस वाले software के बारे में बात करना शुरू कर दो कि okay, I'm not sure about that software, but I know an interesting software which works equally good, right? And then you can talk about the thing that you know. So whatever your field requires, उस तरीके से you can talk. Tip 5, follow up. Now, when you know कि आपने उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दिया या मिस कर दिया है, ऐसा कुछ मिस्टेक हो जाती है, तो you can always follow them up with an email. आप उनको हमेशा एक ईमेल भेज सकते हैं saying that you were not able to answer that particular question properly and that is why आप उनको explain कर रहे हो, right? तो email के through आप उनको उस question का आंसर दे सकते हो. So follow-up is a good thing that you can do through email. That's it for this chapter, and I would really like to say that practice makes a man perfect, right? So आप अपने answers को practice करें, rehearse करें in front of your friend, and I am sure you're going to kill the interview, right? So just keep on going. All the very best for your future. I hope you all have a bright future. Thank you.